Time to talk about Hurricane Dorian, as it is now starting to move closer to the southwestern Bahamas, the Turks and Caicos. And in time, it is forecast to start making a turn towards the west, towards Abaco, Grand Bahama, and Florida. It is about 700 miles, give or take, from the Palm Beach, Broward County coastline. And this storm is pretty healthy here, as you start to see some of the banding features on the IR satellite imagery and one of these more significant rain bands stretching back over the open Atlantic. For now, not impacting anyone, as it's over the open water, which of course is bad news because a low shear environment, very warm surface temperatures will allow some rapid intensification with this hurricane, as it is forecast to become a Category 3 in the next couple of days and eventually a Category 4. Now, the computer models are pretty confident for the next 3 days, even with this westerly turn towards the northwestern Bahamas. It's days 4 and 5 as it gets closer to the state where the steering currents break down, and these lines represent 24 hours. And you can see the system slows down as it approaches the state. Weak steering currents means all bets are off on exactly how far north or south or when this turn takes place. So high uncertainty here near the end of this forecast track. And with a slowing system, this means that the prolonged rain, prolonged wind, and storm surge for somewhere on the coast of Florida, this is not the best case scenario. I want to quickly run through two computer models for you. This is the European model. It has been very bullish on keeping a hurricane in the southern part of the state around Palm Beach or Martin County, and the GFS was a northern outlier the last couple of days, indicating somewhere between Jacksonville and the Space Coast. It has continued to trend south as well, and the latest model run has Palm Beach, Martin County on the right side of circulation. So with the computer models coming in and more jets expected to fly in and around the environment of this system today, we will continue to watch the models and how they react to the steering currents. Right now, it's impossible to tell if it's tropical storm force winds or even hurricane conditions across southwest Florida. Sit up, pay attention, prepare as we go into the first part of this holiday weekend.